This is JR from R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck number 2122. It is a 1997 model Ford E450 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is a 2-wheel drive and it has a 7.3 liter diesel engine. It is a road rescue conversion. It has existing paint, latches and paddle latches. It has an inverter and charger system. It also has a heat, ventilation, and air conditioning system. It is a 1997 Ford E450 with 190,000 miles on it. It has a rebuilt transmission. It's a Ford E450. The body configuration is left front oxygen. It's also got some longboard storage. It also has a shoreline inlet to power the interior outlets and also to satisfy the battery charger. L2 compartment has storage and an adjustable shelf. L number 3, the left rear compartment, has inside and outside access, also with storage for the spare tire. It has a flip-up rear step, and the load height is approximately 30 inches. The overall length of the unit is about 270 inches, overall height about 107, and the headroom is 72. The interior configuration is left-side attendant seat with forward and aft action areas, storage behind and above. It has several 110 volt outlets inside, 12 volt as well. Power distribution quarters is in the bulkhead panel. It also has a 110 volt strip here. It's a Type 3 configuration with a door to close off the cab from the body. It also facilitates walkthrough from the cab to the body. It has a stack mounted heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system, ALS cabinet with inside and outside access and adjustable shelves, storage above the squad bench on the right hand side, roll up flooring. Curbside ingress and egress door. Right rear compartment is for longboard storage. It has an adjacent small compartment. It has several adjustable shelves. Adjacent compartment. Right front, inside outside access ALS. It has 2 adjustable shelves. Also has a 12 volt outlet. Right front battery compartment houses 3 batteries. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 2122, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, R-E-M-O-U-N-T, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com.